In this video, we're diving into Gemini AI, the new temporary AI chatbot that's making waves in the digital world. If you've been curious about the latest AI trends and want to know if this software is worth your time, stick around because I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know. And yes, it's all about the best just released AI software that's gaining serious attention. First off, let me tell you, Gemini AI is one of the most advanced intuitive chatbot systems to hit the market. Whether you're looking to boost customer support, automate your business, or enhance your user experience, this AI is tailored to do it all. What stands out most about Gemini AI is its natural language processing abilities. This bot doesn't just spit out generic responses, it understands context, tone, and user intent, making conversations feel much more like talking to a human than a machine. It's built on cutting-edge technology that makes it ideal for businesses wanting to scale their customer service operations without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of Gemini AI is its ease of integration. You don't need a PhD in coding to get started. It's plug and play with most major platforms, including e-commerce websites, CRMs, and more. This means you can quickly embed it into your system and start getting results without a steep learning curve or complex setup process. For anyone new to AI, Gemini AI offers a smooth transition into the world of chatbot automation. And if you're thinking about personalizing this tool for your business, you're in luck. Gemini AI lets you train and fine-tune its responses based on your specific needs. Want it to act as a sales assistant or handle FAQs in your industry? You can configure it to suit your needs. This flexibility makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes. Speaking of sales, Gemini AI has a built-in feature that's perfect for lead generation. It can identify prospects and engage them with tailored questions, moving them further down the sales funnel. Not only does this save you time, but it also boosts your conversion rates. Gemini AI is designed to do more than just chat. It helps turn those chats into valuable opportunities. Now, let's talk about the learning curve. Unlike some AI tools that require you to spend hours on tutorials or documentation, Gemini AI is user-friendly and offers plenty of support. They've got tutorials, community forums, and even a dedicated support team to help you out when you need it. The analytics are another big selling point. With Gemini AI, you get insights into how well the bot is performing, how many interactions it's handling, how quickly it's resolving issues, and areas where it can improve. This real-time data can help you make informed decisions and continually optimize your AI chatbot to suit your business goals. And finally, you can try Gemini AI for free. That's right. You don't have to commit right away. Simply follow the first link in the description below and test it for yourself. No credit card, no hidden fees. It's a risk-free opportunity to see if this is the right tool for you. So what's the bottom line? Gemini AI is an incredibly powerful chatbot with a lot to offer businesses of all sizes. With its advanced natural language processing, easy integration, personalized features, and built-in sales tools, it's clearly a game changer in the AI space. Before you go, make sure to check out the description below for my recommended AI tools that you can try for free. After testing thousands of AI softwares, I've found some that deliver real value. Take a look and don't miss out on the best options for your business. Thanks for watching.